Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to actually add effects to your cards or to your designs on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account and select the card you want to add the effects to. So you can just go in here and select any card of your liking or invitation. So once you do that, you can just, okay, no, let's just choose any card here. Let me choose an adult's birthday, 30th birthday, and then we can scroll down to choose. Okay, still taking it a while to load. Okay, good. Let's just choose any. Let's choose this. Then keep it basic. No need to switch to premium. So on the website, you can add your effects here. Click on the background and effect. That is after you've edited your text. Now this is a premium feature, which means that it's a paid feature. You do not have access to it on the basic plan. So if you're really interested to in adding effects or making your design actually pop, it's going to have the feeling of it's going to actually create a video where the card would pop up from the envelope and swirl around. So this is it. Let's just see how it is. So this is for background, this background texture. So we can choose a different color if you want to. So we've changed it to this, and then we can scroll down to choose um, any of the templates we love. And once we are done with that, click on, you can also go to your envelope to choose from the envelope or reviews. And once you finish adding the colors and all the effects you love, just go to click on next and keep clicking on next and editing it till you get to the final page where you can actually just add your recipients and send this card. So this is how to add background and effects in Evite. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section and I will get around to it. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you in the next one.